In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer email from one Google Workspace account to another. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable setup that automatically delivers incoming messages to a second mailbox, perfect for moving to a new account or keeping a backup during a transition. You'll need admin access to your organization's Google Admin Console for this. Start by signing into the Google Admin Console. This is the central place where administrators manage services and security for Google Workspace. From the admin home screen, open the Apps section. This is where all your core Google services live and where we'll adjust Gmail's delivery behavior. Next, choose Gmail. You're now in the area that controls how messages are handled across your domain. Look for routing. Routing controls let you steer incoming mail, create dual delivery, and add destinations. Exactly what we need for transferring mail to another account. Open routing, then select Configure to create a new rule. Think of this as a lightweight policy that tells Gmail what to do with specific types of mail. Set the rule to apply to inbound messages. That ensures that any email coming into your domain is evaluated by this rule as it arrives, which is essential for capturing new mail during a movie. Within this configuration, turn on Also Deliver To. This option creates a second delivery path so messages go to their original recipient and to an additional mailbox. Now choose Add More Recipients. Enter the destination email address where you want copies delivered. This can be the new Google Workspace account you're moving to. Leave the standard defaults in place unless your compliance team requires changes. The out-of-the-box settings keep message content intact and preserve headers. When everything looks right, click Save. The admin console will apply the rule across your environment. Changes typically take effect shortly, but they can take some time to propagate. Once active, every new inbound email that matches the rule will be delivered to both the original mailbox and the destination you added, ensuring nothing is missed while you transition. A quick note on expectations. This setup forwards future inbound messages. It doesn't migrate historical mail already in the old inbox. For full archives, use a separate migration tool later if needed. Also, verify you have permission to route mail to the chosen destination and that this aligns with your organization's data policies. That's it. With this routing rule in place, your incoming messages will seamlessly land in the new account while still reaching the original mailbox.